It's a way to get
Yum, 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 yum.
It's from my hometown right there, Quebec, New York.
The delicata was, I did some of that last week. It was fantastic.
Do you make it like zucchini?
No, you know what I do? You cut it in half, take the seeds out.
Yes.
And then I just slice it up like this.
Yeah.
And then saute it or bake it. It's
Oh.
the best, sweetest thing you've ever had. Oh, it's the best.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, I've tried this. They are bitter.
Really bitter.
But these are really good because you can spiralize them.
Oh, yeah.
And I actually, what I did was slice them up, about like that, put some Parmesan cheese in them,
Ooh.
and bake them in the oven.
Yum.
It was really good.
The bag that you just bought, along with donations from Jane, helps support our SNAP doubling program here at the market, which local recipients of SNAP use to receive more benefits to buy more local produce and healthy foods. Last year, we did $9,000 in SNAP sales and $9,000 in donations, so that totaled $18,000 of additional money for local farmers and for local community members.
2 Heart of Darkness, please. 1 black, and I'm going to put a little half and half in mine.
Anything else, Ray?
That's it. This is where they do the sandwiches. They're doing our croissant right now.
And 3 of my favorite words, breakfast is ready.
Croissant, Yum City.
We are at the end of our season, finding the last little gems of.
But it's so pretty. I know, it's so sad.
Yeah, but some of these are glorious, right? We
Yes,
have the
and these are all
kales
beautiful.
that are turning into
Gorgeous.
Oh yes, this is the pod from the milkweed.
Oh, right.
Isn't that awesome?
It's the only plant that the monarchs will lay their eggs on.
Yeah. So when am I too late to sow
No.
seed now? I
No.
can do it right now this
Absolutely.
weekend.
This is the best time.
Yeah, now is it do
Okay,
it.
so just throw them in there.
And throw in verbena because that will soft
Milkweed,
seeds.
verbena, along with those.
Yeah, and then you attract the bees, but you've got the whole life cycle of the monarchs right there in your garden.
Perfect. I'm doing it.
And I want to show you how the lion's mane works. You can pull this apart and you make what's like a fake crab meat from it.
Oh,
It
wow.
is absolutely amazing. You do it as thin as you want. When I do it, I kind of pick it up in bunches.
Yes. I love that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Really smells good. Thank you for a great Saturday. I feel healthier. And I haven't even eaten anything yet.